Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off Netflix notifications on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and tap on Notifications. Next, go down to the Notification Style section and tap on Netflix. In here at the top, tap on Allow Notifications. Tap on the toggle button to turn off notifications for Netflix. Otherwise, you can switch it on. When it is switched on, you can choose which type of alerts it can use. So you can choose to set it to display notifications on the lock screen, in the notification center, or in the banners, or you can have it to show on all of them. And that's it. Down here are some other settings such as banner style, sounds, and badges, and you can choose to show the content of the notifications on the screen, on the lock screen or not. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.